Adobe have acknowledged that for some users, and only some users, of Photoshop Elements 6, there's a problem using custom profiles. And just to give you a for instance, I discovered that although I can use custom profiles through Elements 6 on my desktop, I can't use them on my laptop because they remain invisible, unfortunately. So before we go any further down the path of creating custom profiles for your particular setup, it's probably a good idea just to make sure that you will be able to use it. And that's why I included a sample profile in the targets folder that you downloaded. So let's just go to the Finder and open up a window, and I'll just show you where it needs to go. You need to go to the Macintosh hard drive and select Library, and then Application Support, and then Adobe, and then Color, and then Profiles. And this is the home of the printer profiles. So we'll just open up our target folder and drag my sample profile into the profiles folder here, and there it is. And just to remind you of that path, Macintosh hard drive, Library, Application Support, Adobe, Color, Profiles, and just make sure it's in there. And having done that, we can close these two windows, open up Elements 6, open any old image for the moment, and then hit Command P as if we were going to print it. And what we need to have a look at is the color management box here. First of all, we need to change the color handling to Photoshop Elements Manager's Color, and then under the Printer Profile drop-down menu, we just need to make sure that that sample profile is visible. And I've got a lot of profiles tucked away in here, but there quite clearly is mic test for R285. So I know when I create custom profiles for this computer, they'll be visible and I'll be able to use them within Photoshop Elements 6. So having established that, we can cancel all of this. Let's just hide elements for the moment, and we can throw away that profile because obviously we won't actually need it. So we'll just go to hard drive, Library, Application Support, Adobe, Color, Profiles, and drop that into the bin.